Hi, and welcome back to Ultra Chill. Today we're going to be talking with Pierre from Agora about their new drop, the AI Oracle. Because we're going to be covering AI, we'll also be talking about the intersection between these cutting edge technologies. Pierre has a lot of interesting thoughts and ideas, and I thought that you guys would like to hear them. So let's get to it. Let's start with a quick update on how things have been progressing at Agora.
About our progress, we have been working on various fronts. Notably, we have successfully launched and fully minted our Genesis collection, as you know. While our bridge is currently being tested in the testnet also, and additionally, we are making also significant progress towards completing the decks, and we are also super excited to share that our team is integrating AI into our core products right now. And for the occasion, we just proposed new branding and a new version of the website last week. We are thrilled about all those developments and can't wait to unveil more in the near future.
So the bridge for testnet is already up and running, right?
Yeah, exactly. The bridge on the testnet is indeed up and running. We recently carry out a campaign in Discord and on Zilli, where our community members were able to set up their accounts and try the bridging solution between EVM chains and US. I think it was super fun and a successful experience for all the community. We received a lot of great feedback, which will help us to improve, but also get some metrics. So yeah, it was great success.
What about other functionality like swaps and pools and things like that?
But currently, we are working on the stable version of the DEX. It mostly will be a classic swap solution, like Uniswap, but implemented on Ultra, as you know. And combining with a bridge, it gives the possibility to swap or add liquidity for foreign tokens not present in Ultra. And these features is almost complete at the moment. And the next step is to prepare it to be audited and released into mainnets together with the bridge. The next step right now is really to improve all existing functionality by introducing new features such as ultra relays for the bridge, virtual pool management, flexible bridge speed management, and other minor improvements. This step not only will improve user experience, but also add the possibility to create pools which tokens with tokens which are presented in both chain. I think it's not common for ultra blockchain, but might be very useful for adding more liquidity from other chain like EOS, Arbitrum, for example.
Agora just announced that they are dropping a new Agora Uniq on Ultra's network called the AI Oracle. Can you maybe tell our listeners a little bit about what that is and how Agora's DEX will leverage it?
Yes, of course. But first, I would like to mention that the AI Oracle, so our Cyclops NFT, is a key component of Agora's decentralized exchange, so the Agora DEX, because it leverages AI technology to enhance liquidity provision. And with the support of AI technology, liquidity providers on AgoraDex can utilize the AI liquidity optimizer, which is at the end an intelligent tool designed to manage liquidity more efficiently. And also by specifying a price range. Thanks to this, liquidity providers can improve capital efficiency, but also they can reduce slippage and make liquidity provision more attractive for larger trades.
And users would actually have to hold the Unique to have access to that functionality?
No, not at all. But I will explain you later the utilities of this Cyclop. This functionality will be able for all the user of the DEX, but you will have some dedicated AI utilities. If you hold the new NFTs, the Cyclop, for example, you will have a boost on your rewards as a liquidity provider.
All right, well, maybe we just jump into that. What do holders of the Unique actually have access to?
So first, I would like to mention that the Cyclops drop is a unique and separate collections. So you cannot compare it like to the Genesis one that we did like a few months ago, specifically related to the introduction of our AI vertical, which is being developed in collaboration with Singularity DAO. I don't know if you know Singularity Net and Singularity DAO, but it's one of the pioneer of AI in the blockchain industry. And this partnership brings in a variety of tokens and projects into our ecosystem. So that's going to further like enhancing like our offerings at the end. And regarding like this new collection, so the holders of Unix, so for this new collection, will obtain an exclusive 1.5 gig boost on the liquidity provisions for an AI related tokens on Agora DEX. Also, furthermore, like holding Cyclops offer like a vested airdrop of AGA tokens equivalent to 1.5x the NFT price, based on the seed round price, so $0.04. That's the equivalent of 9,375 AGA. Big difference also with the previous collection, it's that on this one you will have like 3 months cliff and 12 months vesting to receive your token. It was like to protect the AGA token at the end that we doing this. And if you also have like a Cyclops weapon, so it's the complementary NFTs that we propose here, you will receive like a 1.5x on your token allocation as well, giving you like 2,000, I think, and 625 AGA token. Also, like important to mention on the other hand, if you hold both, you will receive 2x on your Cyclops and Cyclops weapon token allocation. So that represent like 24,000 AGA tokens. So it's huge. Also, like one cool utilities that we had is that you will get like three free tickets equivalent to 10 USDC each to participate in our loot box that we plan like to launch soon. If I can add like something, it's about like, yes, the supply. We have a super exclusive and limited supply of 550 Cyclops and only 100 weapons, so don't miss out.
I think in general that the meeting of AI and blockchain is a really exciting proposition. And now that I have you here, I wanted to take kind of like a moment to talk more generally about like what that could mean for the future of like both technologies. I wanted to start with what are the main benefits of combining AI and blockchain? Like, how do they complement each other?
Yeah, I think for the gaming industry, AI can significantly like improve player immersion and the overall like gaming experience. First, by leveraging like advanced AI algorithm, game developers can create non-player characters that called like NPCs that exhibit heightened intelligence and lifelike behaviors, responding like dynamically to player action. So this result in a more engaging and realistic gameplay environment. And I think it's the same for Web3 games. And in regards to the DEX, as mentioned like previously, DeFi and AI are also like a good complementary fit, as Agora can integrate like the AI liquidity optimizer feature for DeFi users. And I think also like additionally, AI integration with Web3 technology enables like the establishment of decentralized and player-owned economy. And it's facilitated by AI-powered smart contracts that ensure fairness and transparency in game transaction.
Do you think there's any specific industries or sectors where integration of AI and blockchain is already having a significant impact?
Yeah, I think so. I think like AI is proving like to be like a groundbreaking development in all type of industries, and gaming I think is not an exception. So the application of AI in gaming, in my opinion, will be like revolutionary. And that's why here at Agora we believe that embracing like this new technology is crucial for our future. And more in details, I think like in Web3, AI driven algorithm are revolutionizing like DeFi platform also by optimizing like yield farming strategy and enhancing like liquidity management. And in the gaming industry, AI powered like virtual characters also and smart contract based NFTs are transforming like gameplay experiences, enabling like more immersive and dynamic interaction for players. But not only crypto related projects are being impacted by this. I think like blockchain based AI solution are gaining traction in sectors like supply chain management and digital identity verification as well, where they offer like increased transparency, security, and efficiency.
When I think about AI, I often think about like optimization. At the end of the day, like when we're talking about more effective NPCs in games, or if we're talking about more effective algorithms for DeFi, for example, then what we're actually looking at is optimizing the experience for the end user. And like when we talk about the intersection between blockchain and AI, there's likely to be some challenges there. I'm curious, like, what your thoughts are on those challenges.
Yeah, I think you're right. The interaction of AI and blockchain brings together like two powerful technology, but it also comes with some challenges and limitation. And one challenge is scalability, because AI algorithm like require like a lot of computational like power, and blockchain networks have limitation, as you know, in processing capabilities. Secondly, I think like ensuring like data privacy with a transparent blockchain environment becomes crucial, especially when AI relies on vast amounts of user data. Additionally, I think like the cost efficiency of running AI computation on the blockchain must be balanced. As for example, high gas fees can impact like the overall viability of AI application. And finally, I think like interoperability among like different blockchains with varying like AI capability and data structures pose another challenge. But by addressing like these challenges, I think like the full potential of AI and blockchain integration in Web3 gaming can be definitely unlocked, and leading like to innovative and enhance like user experiences.
I think it's actually interesting that you talk a little bit about there about having user data on chain, because I think that's one of the bigger ethical concerns that we have in general around blockchain. That when you have data that's exposed to everybody, then everybody has access to it, and that's not always appropriate. And when we talk about integrating AI, what that means is that those algorithms, they also have access to that data. Do you think that there's any ethical considerations or risks associated with using AI and having those interact with that on-chain data?
Yeah, I think there are like several like ethical consideration and risk associated like with using AI in blockchain application. One concern, as mentioned before, is data privacy and security. As AI like algorithm like may require like access to sensitive user information stored on the blockchain. This raises like question about how data is handled and protected, as well as potential risk of data breaches. Additionally, the use of AI in blockchain application may raise question about like accountability and transparency, as AI algorithm can be complex, I think, and difficult like to understand. But ensuring like that AI systems are accountable and transparent is crucial to building trust in blockchain technology. And finally, I will say there are like risk related to the potential misuse of AI in blockchain applications, such as the use of AI for malicious purposes or to manipulate blockchain system. And I think it's important at the end for developers and stakeholders to carefully consider and address like this ethical consideration and risk to ensure the responsible and ethical use of AI in blockchain application.
Pierre, it's always a pleasure to have you on the show. And I think that it's really quite something that you guys have such a keen understanding of AI technology and blockchain technology. And I really look forward to seeing what Agora is going to do over the next couple of years. Thanks for your time and your expertise.
Thank you. But if I can conclude with something, I would like to call like all the ultra community members here. We have like an exciting opportunity that combines like the best of AI, GameFi, and NFT, with like a great partnership with Singularity. And to participate in the Cyclope NFT drop, you simply have like to join us to mint like the collection on the 27th of July at 7 p.m. CET. That's going to be directly on Ultra on the Uniq marketplace. We also have like a lot of cool giveaway campaigns that are running and will kick off later this week for you like to participate and win like some extra NFT. And we are like also like super active on Discord. So if you have like any question, guys, we are here for you. And yeah, also like a real pleasure for me to be here.